Now that's progress. I was just able to mow the backyard. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks. I didn't make a video last week, but I'm making one right now. It had, like I said, been 2 weeks, and man, a lot has happened in 2 weeks. So I do have some notes. I'm gonna look at my notes. So, first thing, last week I was released to drive. Exciting. You never realize how much freedom you have until you can't drive anywhere, or that you don't have freedom until you can drive. So yes, man, driving is a little bit, I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit scary at first, because you know, you've been through something major and now all of a sudden you're getting to drive again. Sleep in a bed. Sleep in a bed was a big thing. I finally, like, everything felt solid enough to where I actually felt comfortable to sleep in the bed. So it was that was a nice thing as well. Let me see what else is here. Oh, started cardiac rehab. So let me pause there, get some thoughts, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about cardiac rehab. Okay, so going into cardiac rehab, starting that procedure, it's very interesting. They know everything, what you've had done, all that good stuff. They get your parameters set. They are checking your blood pressure each time you go in, checking your weight. Then they're also, while you're exercising, checking your blood pressure, watching your heart rate. You're hooked up to all kinds of monitors and things of that nature. And you are, they're really watching you, making sure. Like, they had set my heart rate limit at like 125, 130, somewhere in that area. They don't want me to exceed that. And so they just stick me on a machine. I was really shocked though. For the second day there, they're putting me on a machine. I'm walking on the treadmill. I think I walked 1.25 miles the first day, rode 5 miles on a bike. I was like, holy cow, I was surprised that this fast. So it just depends on where you're at, your level, effort, stuff like that. Just maybe, put out a little bit extra effort there. Just get yourself ramped up a little bit. Nothing crazy. Don't be trying to go overboard with it. Keep within your parameters. But they're trying to achieve, they got Borg's, a perception of effort there. And they're asking you like, hey, where are you on this? They're trying to get you to a certain level, which for me and others, they want you in this 13. It's somewhat hard. So I was really surprised that they want to get you in that level that fast. So anyway, cardiac rehab has been really good. And it's actually, I think, giving me some more strength and effort, making me feel really good. So that's a positive. So let me look at my list and I'll get right back to you. Okay, couple updates. Here you go. Sweets update. Surprisingly, my taste of sweets is finally coming back. What is this, week 6? It started coming back here, end of last week and this week. Things started to, there's still a couple items that just don't want, but sweets are finally coming back. My fingers, they're finally coming back as well. They still are very sensitive. Surprised how sensitive they still are, but they actually are better as well. The last item on the list, because I have a mechanical valve, the Warfarin. Warfarin is doing some weird stuff, and I don't know, I haven't really changed my diet that much right at the moment, just because we're trying to dial it in. But my Warfarin level for, what was it, mid-September, I believe it was in the normal range, and then all of a sudden it dropped down like 1.8. Then it dropped down even again last week to 1.5. Just had it checked today, 1.8. So it's coming back up a little bit, but we're messing with the dosages still. So we're trying to dial it in. We'll get it there a little bit. I'll keep you informed on that one, since I have to do another update. So they increased my dosage. I'm like 10 milligrams on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The rest of the days do 7.5. So we're gonna see if that ramps it up. I'll let you know a little bit more on that one. It'll probably be a quick update next week, but everything else is feeling great. Oh, it's so much. It's like good getting out, walking. Oh my gosh, it's fantastic. Like I said, at the beginning of the video there, I mowed the backyard. Holy cow, that's like huge. So it's pretty good. And anyway, take care. We'll check with you next week. I'll let you know a little bit more about the Warfarin update, see where we're at. And I'll let you know more then. All right, have a good one. Take care.